Hi, this is Lloyd Allen, and I'd like to welcome you to the marriage workshop. This is a maintenance program for your marriage or for your relationship, where we teach you tips and strategies and techniques on how to have a rock solid marital relationship, how to take your relationship from stressed or depressed or failing to a vital and triumphant marital relationship. You friends don't have to suffer in silence. By the way, let me share with you friends today that marriage is in trouble today. Think of the statistics that we have. 52% of marriages ending in divorce, and another 15% stay together just for the kids. Another 5% stay together just for economic reasons. Already we have 52% that are really in big trouble. And by the way, friends, the percentage of marriages that are really happy, it's just reducing by the year. It's just that number is just getting smaller day by day. And why do marriages fail so miserably? Do you know why, friends? There are two reasons. Number one, our inborn nature. You see, we are selfish by nature. That's just how we were born. We were not wired to do marriage well, not at all. You see, we inherited this Adamic nature, this sinful nature. And so we were born in sin and shapen in iniquity. And so because of that, friends, we are engineered to do marriage wrong. This is why today you can understand that if we follow the natural inclinations of our heart, then we destroy one another. In simple terms, the second reason marriages fail, it is because of cultivated tendencies over time, especially from our family of origin. And you see, friends, if we learn wrong patterns of interacting and communicating from our family of origin, then you find that we just replicate those wrong habits in the relationships that we form. And so the vicious cycle continues. So you can understand why there is need for a maintenance program if we are to have a great marital relationship. You see, some people put their marriage on autopilot and think that, okay, it can just operate by itself. Not at all, friends. Not so with a marriage. If we put our marriage on autopilot, we are bound to fail. But you see, if we are to have a great marriage, listen up, friend, that a great marriage does not just happen. No, a great marriage is created. And so we must make deliberate effort. We must apply skillful effort to navigate well if this aircraft is to get to a safe haven. And so is marriage. You see, love is like a tender plant. If we neglect the plant, then it withers and dies. No, but if we are to have that plant flourish and mushroom and bloom, then that plant needs tender loving care. So is our marriage. And so if you are serious about having a romantic relationship with your spouse, a triumphant marriage, then you are at the right place. I'm gonna take you on a journey, friends, where you learn the proper techniques and skills, conflict resolution skills, how to handle money, how to communicate, how to listen so your spouse can talk, how to talk so your spouse can listen, and a slew of other topics that are germane to a healthy and happy marital relationship. So welcome, happy to have you, and I look forward to meeting you in this studio.